Gaming isn't just about better graphics anymore, it's about smarter systems. AI is rewriting the code. Here are 3 trends changing the industry. Trend 1. Generative NPCs. Old games relied on static scripts and repetitive lines, but today, developers are plugging in large language models. These characters now think in real time. They remember your past actions and improvise unique dialogue instantly. No 2 conversations are ever the same. Trend 2. Procedural Content 2.0. We've moved beyond simple random maps. AI now understands architectural logic and environmental design. It generates entire ecosystems, complex quests, and detailed textures on the fly. This creates infinite worlds where no 2 adventures are ever identical. Trend 3. Adaptive gameplay. The game now watches you. New AI directors analyze your skill level, reaction time, and strategy live as you play. If you struggle, the game helps you out. If you're winning too easily, it gets harder. It constantly adjusts to keep you in the perfect flow state. From characters that truly speak to worlds that build themselves, AI is turning static games into living experiences. Thanks for watching.